Hello everyone. In our lesson number 18, pollution of air and water, we have studied in the last video greenhouse effect and global warming. But today we are going to see that 2 points which we have not discussed, that is case study, the Taj Mahal, and last point of the air pollution, what can be done to reduce air pollution. So we'll see first case study, the Taj Mahal. Over the past 2 decades means about 20 years, because one decade is of 10 years, India's most famous tourist attraction, Taj Mahal, located in Agra, has become a matter of concern. Experts have warned that pollutants in air are discoloring its white marble. So it is not only living organisms that get affected by polluted air, but non-living things like buildings, monuments and statues also get affected. Means what? The color white marble color is becoming yellowish. It is turning yellowish in color. Little bit black layer is forming on it because of the pollutants present in the air. So what they want to tell us is that only not living beings but non-living beings are suffering from the air pollution. The industries located in and around Agra, like rubber processing, automobile, chemicals and especially the Mathura oil refinery, have been responsible for producing pollutants like sulfur dioxide and nitrogen dioxide. We have discussed these gases, how they affect to the living beings. These gases react with the water vapor present in the atmosphere to form sulfuric acid and nitric acid. The acid drops down with rain, making the rain acidic. So it is related to acidic rain, how the acidic rain occurs. These gases converts into acids and then they fall in the form of acidic rain. This is called acid rain. Acid rain corrodes the marble of the monument. The phenomenon is also called marble cancer. Corrode means form a layer on it. The phenomenon is also called marble cancer. Suspended particulate matter such as the soot particles emitted by Mathura oil refinery has contributed towards the yellowing of the marble. The Supreme Court has taken several steps to save the Taj. It was ordered industries to switch to cleaner fuel like CNG, LPG. Moreover, the automobile should switch over to unleaded petrol in the Taj zone. Discuss with your elders and see what they have to say about the condition of the Taj 20 or 30 years ago. Try to procure a picture of the Taj Mahal for your scrapbook. You can see the picture in your textbook also, and you have, I think you have get some idea how the color of the marble has been changed. So what we can do for this to reduce the air pollution, that is our duty, how we can reduce the air pollution. We'll see that. What can we do to reduce air pollution? There are many success stories in our fight against air pollution. For example, a few years ago, Delhi was one of the most polluted cities in the world. It was being choked by fumes released from automobiles running on diesel and petrol. So a decision was taken to switch to fuels like CNG and LPG. So these was the things which produce more pollution. So we can use, instead of petrol and all that, CNG gases. These measures have resulted in cleaner air of the city. You might know of some other examples from your area regarding reduction of air pollution. Share these with your friends. If you discuss on this topic, you will get more ideas about it. Also more examples you will get from your area. The quality of air at various locations is monitored regularly by government and other agencies. We can use this data to generate awareness about air pollution among friends and neighbors. There is a need to switch over to alternate fuels instead of the fossil fuels. See here what you can do for that. It is given in textbook also, and you can see here you can plant more trees, you can use a cycle, you can avoid burning dry leaves. Instead of that, you can compost, use it as compost. Then you can use CNG, LPG gases, like instead of petrol and diesel. You can use coal instead of fossil fuels. Then solar energy, hand power energy, wind energy, these could be helpful for reducing air pollution. Small contribution on our part can make a huge difference in the state of the environment. State means the condition of the environment. We can plant trees and nurture the ones already present in the neighborhood. Do you know about Van Mahotsav, when lakhs of trees are planted in July every year? Bhujo and Paheli once happened to go an area where some people were burning dry leaves. They started coughing because the entire area was full of smoke. You know, whenever you burn something, there is a formation of smoke, and in smoke, different gases are present. Also, dust particles are present that will be harmful for our respiration. So we start coughing in such type of situations. Paheli thought it would be better option to put them in a compost pit rather than burning. What do? You know about the compost pit? It is a big pit, means एक मोठा हंडा असतो मातीचा, ज्याच्यामध्ये आपण असले ड्राय लिव्स, व्हेजिटेबल पील्स, फ्रूट पील्स वी कॅन ॲड इन दॅट. कीप इट क्लोज्ड for about 1 to 2 months. If you keep it like this with some mud inside it, you can add mud also inside it, there will be formation of compost, also khat we call that. So this is the better way to avoid air pollution. So we have finished 2 points here today. You read lesson also. Whenever you watch the video, you simultaneously read the lesson also for your understanding. So these are the some things we can do to reduce air pollution. So for today we'll stop here. Thank you.